Arish,
E.
what is your name?
My name is Arish Akman.
What is your village name?
My village is Kubutanagamarikuri.
What is your school name?
My school name is Hitita Secretary.
What is your father name?
My father name is Maribul Akman.
Our national game?
Hockey. Game.
National game?
Hockey.
National river?
Unga.
National animal?
Tiger.
National vegetable?
Lotus.
No, national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
National bird?
Peacock.
National fruit?
Apple.
No, national fruit?
Mango.
National song?
Key.
National song?
Chunky. Museum.
ভালো করে কও। National song?
Panchamatam.
National anthem?
Key and ten.
National anthem?
And ten.
কি কও national anthem?
Banana.
Very good. National flower?
Lotus.
National currency?
Indian rupees.
Very good.
Stars.
Arish, tell me ABCD.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good. How many days in a week?
7 days.
Arish? 7 days in a week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Very good. Papa? Months in a year?
Sunday,
No.
Monday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Papa? Oh, udah kau usah?
Oh, look at the moon. She is shining up there. Oh, mother, she looks like a lamp in fire.
Very good. Cobbler.
Cobbler, men my shoe, get in the bar. Apples to sister, bitches, sister, and me, and you have it. Tingle, go to see. Tingle, little is the boy on the Papa put the also high, like a diamond in the sky.
London.
London beach is falling down. London beach is falling down.
Are you?
I am sleeping. Where the sun, money, ding dong bell.
Johnny.
Johnny is Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Telling lies, no Papa. Open the mouth, ha ha ha.
Baba.
Black sheep, ebony wool, extra, T-Rex wool. I'm from my master, I'm from my dam, and I debut.
Wrong. And one for the?
And one for the little boy who lives down the land.
Little Jack.
Little Jack sat in the corner. Eating his Christmas pie. He put the top, he put the plum, and said, "What a good man."
Papa, tell me body parts name.
Face, nose, teeth, hand, eye, hands, ear, face, lips. Hello, friends. I